box. Holy. Santa used our wrapping paper. Oh my gosh. Let's use in the box. Oh, some's already built, Daddy. So here's the garage, which is a little motorbike. Look at this. Ladder. Oh, look at the big slide. Mom, it turns into couch. Just couch. Oh, here's the bed. What did you open? And the freezer. What is this? Oh, this slide. Oh, this is elevator. Oh, look, no, I'll get that. You got it? There's the shower. Okay, now look this. You hold it like this. It's just supposed to connect to something, and this is a little button. Oh my gosh, these connect together. The part of the dream house. Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh my gosh. There's the wire. We're gonna put it together, guys, and we're gonna be back in a second. The stuff down. Barbies. Let's take them out. This is Anna and this is Mommy. And we got this for my birthday. And she could go with that. And these are the chairs. We'll put those back. We don't need them. And this is her chair. We'll keep that beside her. And this is Nikki. And this is Tacky. We got a mom dog. And we got this girl, Tushy. And here's Elsa from Frozen. Yeah. Hers all crazy. And here's Skipper. I'm opening the puppies first. Masika, which is named, well, he's a boy. And here's the puppy tray that he can eat in. Hey guys, we just finished building the Barbie life in the dream house. We're gonna place it after we show you what it looks like. Ta-da! This is Barbie's bedroom, and this is her little light. And her closet is the couch. And this is the little couch. And this is the little puppy. This is the puppy. When you put this up, it goes like this. Down. And this is the kitchen. And this is the little kitchen right here. This is the little puppy. And look, you can put stuff in here like cookies and stuff. And the fridge opens. There's stuff in it. Little stuff in it. Apple juice. And look over here, the door. When I put my finger here, look, little mail. Woo! Daddy, look! Woo! Uncle, look it!
Wow,
A Barbie dream house from Santa.
that's humongous.
And there's everything that we got in our pool.
Oh my gosh.
We got everything from Santa.
Let me take a picture of Deidre. Say cheese, Louie.
Deidre, we got a Barbie dream house. Look, come on the slide. It's so fun. The skipper just want to eat for me. The slide is way better. But look. Whoa, you guys wait for me. Playing with the dream house, and Barbie just went on the elevator, and this is the end of the video. Subscribe to our channel. Hope you like our video. Bye-bye.